Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one is the Nightfall edition with a black exterior trim, 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, black roof rails, black MB text with white stitching, carbon style trim, panorama sunroof, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, smartphone integration with the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, convenience package with auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This one also does come with navigation. This GLA has 12,568 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.